Hey there! I'm so glad you're back on the channel. You guys are the best. Today's video is going to be epic, so get ready for some amazing content. Today, we are exploring the incredibly complex range of movements of the human hands. The hand is a very important part of the body, and all of our daily activities involve them in some manner. Hands have multiple parts and each has a different role to play in various activities. We use hands for writing and painting like delicate works where the movement is very fine and controlled. We use our hands to eat as we form a bite of rice mixed with curry and push it with the thumb into our mouth. We use hands for clapping, which is a gesture of praise and congratulations. The hand is also used for gripping objects, writing anything, etc. Major functions of the hand. Manipulation. The hand is incredibly dexterous, allowing us to grasp, hold, manipulate, and create. We use our hands for countless tasks, from simple activities like eating and writing to complex ones like playing instruments and performing surgery. Communication. Our hands play a crucial role in communication through gestures, sign language, and touch. Sensory input. The hands provide valuable sensory information about the world around us, allowing us to interact with objects and our environment. These are the various parts of a hand and their functions. Fingers. The fingers are the key part of the hand as they are the ones that provide the grip and grasp on an object, and it happens because fingers can fold in a circular fashion because of small bones that can curl inwards. These individual segments are called phalanges. Thumb. The thumb is the thickest finger of the hand and completes the grip on any object. This is very essential in order to hold anything from a pen or paintbrush to a dumbbell in the gym. We secure a grip with the thumb. In today's day, where typing on a smartphone is a daily need and essential activity, the thumb is very useful in that case as well. Index finger. It is the second finger on the hand and participates with the thumb for fine movement activities such as writing, painting, sculpting, etc. Middle finger. This finger is the longest in the hand and is sort of the source of strength while gripping and lifting an object, as the weight falls upon the fingers and the middle one acts like an anchor to the rest. Ring finger. It is, as the name suggests, the finger where one wears a ring. It is the finger where rings are worn during an engagement in marriage. This finger is between the middle finger and the last finger on the hand. Little finger. It is the tiniest finger of the hand, and it is also called the pinky finger and helps in grabbing objects tight as it is close to the palm. Palm. It is the flat, wide surface of the hand on the inner side of the hand and participates in the gripping of objects. The lines on the palm act as a grip in holding objects. It folds from the upper portion because the joints are due to the connection of the palm with the fingers. Wrist. It is a flexible joint that connects hand with arm in order to do a lot of work. It has multiple bones and can be moved in almost all directions. Knuckle. It is the tough portion at the back of the hand. The knuckles allow the movement of the fingers forward and backward. It is used for combat or fighting while throwing punches. They are very important in combat sports such as wrestling and boxing. Fingernails. These are located at the tip of every finger and are ever-growing parts of the body. They can grow indefinitely. It is made up of a protein called keratin and is the same thing that hair is made of. Lunula. The lunula is the half-moon-shaped white area at the base of your nail. It's the visible part of the nail matrix, which is the tissue that produces new nail cells. The human hand is a testament to the complexity and adaptability of the human body. It's a remarkable tool that enables us to interact with the world in countless ways and contributes significantly to our quality of life. Wow, you made it to the end! I hope you learned something new about the amazing human hand. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome science videos.